Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about strategies for 11, 12, 13, 14. The first is called Safari Plus, and it brings you a bunch of Safari features like privacy features, upload and downloads, usability, actions, gestures, customization. Sports iOS 8 to 14.3. Next feature called Safari Plus Syphilis. Basically the same thing. I don't really know what the difference is. This and Safari Plus are, same developer, same description. I think they basically do the same thing. One's syphilis and one's not, whatever that means. Next feature is called Fake Call History, and Project iOS 13.0 adds fake calls to your call history. Next feature is called iSponsor Block, and also mobile substrate tweak. Next feature is called libundirect, patch finder, and rebinder for objective direct methods. Next feature is a theme called Descent UI. It's set mood with fresh UI. Next feature is called Kick Camera Sender, and use this tweak to send a gallery send a gallery image like a Checkra1n in Kick. Tap on the camera icon, select the gallery image, and Viola. Now you can also crop and resize the image. You can enable and disable the tweak through preferences. This is called Tethering iOS 8 Plus. So this is supposed to be updated. I don't know why it's not. But enables native tethering functionality of your device. Gives the option to share data from VPN or share Wi-Fi connection to USB. Also enables the instant hotspot functionality and choose with handoff in iOS 8.1. This is called Cocotop 64. Supports iOS 10 to 13. Compatible with 64-bit devices. I believe it's also a dark mode feature for this too. So it kind of helps you decide, tell you what's taking up, I guess, your battery and that cool stuff. So. This is called Lottie Status Bar, Lottie animations for your status bar. This is called Zephy, and absolutely zero click to play automatically from Spotify. So to follow play as much as possible, different many tweets, if any, out there. It requires none of your interaction from Spotify, and it works without needing to unlock your device first. This is called Friday for 32-bit devices, also Friday for A12 Plus devices, and Friday for pre-A12 devices, and just JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. This is called Paste It Here 2, supports iOS 10 to 14. And it's basically a copy clipboard manager. This is called Justo for iOS 13 tool multitasking tweak. This is called Photo Manager, and choose to move or copy photos out of the camera roll into albums, protect albums Face ID or Touch ID or password, hide protected albums from other apps, save photos directly with an album in the camera, hide individual albums, customize the tab bar. This is called Puck, a magical watching spirit. It prevents the need of jailbreaking. This is called Untitled and make your calendar, weather, clock, and music labels stand out or be more useful. Add to custom live wallpaper, back to pass, bring the old fish live wallpaper, nice compilation with day and night switch. And the last tweak is called backtrack and activate action to go back to the previous app. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in that one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.